What's up YouTube, this is your boy Dykes. Today we are going to be going over 3 different gospel grooves that you can use over just like gospel, like you can use it really just wherever you want to. But yeah, I've been getting a lot of questions about this on a lot of the Sunday Night Live videos I've been posting, especially like whenever we're just improvising into like a lot of these like you know, stuff like that stuff that we were doing on those videos and stuff. So I wanted to give you guys just some grooves that you can possibly do like on a song to just kind of give it something cool. Like if it's staying like on a really boring like, you know, or something like it's in a vamp and it's just like it's not really going anywhere and you want to just add it and make it like huge, like cool, you know, or you just want to use it just to groove to. Yeah, that's what these grooves are for. So yeah, so the first one is going to be this one where it's like, all right, so all these are really simple. Just so you know, these are simple, but you can slow them down as much as you want to, or you can speed them up as much as you want to. You can do whatever you want. You can use it in a shout. You can use it whatever. So, so this first one's going to be based off the pentatonic scale, minor pentatonic scale, A flat minor pentatonic scale. So just to refresh, and if you don't know any of your minor or pentatonic positions up and down the neck, check out my video on that. There's a video. It's a Teach Me Tuesday video talking about all the different positions, part 1 and part 2. So go check that out if you haven't already. So this is our minor pentatonic, just a refresher. But we just add that extension of the G string. So. All right, next one. And so that's where we're pulling from. But we're not really pulling from all the entire position. So what we're doing is we're doing like a so all I'm doing is doing 2 notes of this position. So it's just, and then I'm getting this little color note right here. That's like, it's like a major 3 right there. So. And then the last part, I do it 3 times. So boom, boom, boom. That's 1. Second time. Third time. Right here. That's the last thing to kind of just end the whole phrase. So it's just going to be, that's a B flat, B, and D flat. So we're still kind of in that minor pentatonic right here. That's pretty much it. I'm going to play it one time. Alright, So now the next one is going to be kind of similar. It's going to be using the blues scale. It's going to be a little bit simpler. So it should be like just like this, the A flat minor blues scale, which would be this. So that's what we're using for this one. So it'll go like this. So we got. So this first part is just going to be that minor blues scale. It's literally just walking up it. So it'll be like three plucks on the first one, which would be 1, 2, 3, and then the next note up of the minor blues scale, and then I'm just doing D flat, D, E flat, G flat. So A flat, A flat, A flat. B, D flat, D, E flat, G flat. And I'm just doing that again 3 times. Right here, we're going to change it up. It's just kind of dabbling in like a different mode, just kind of give it some color. So all I'm doing is just right here, all it is going to be it's just going to be E flat, F, E flat, F, E flat, F, A flat. So it should be like, so it's like 3 times. 1, 2, 3. All together. Oh, and I'm also adding like a little trill into that. So. All right, so it's pretty simple, very simple. Just take your time, go back through the video and like slow it down and get it to the speed that's going to be good for you, and just slow it and just get it nice and clean. Big thing about these are making them clean and putting them just in creative spots. So last one is going to be this one right here. So. So this one is a little different. So we're going to be using some different techniques. We're going to use a tritone. So we're still in the A flat minor pentatonic position, but what we're going to do is we're going to hit the A flat 1. So we're going to do this tritone right here, which is going to be, and I'm just kind of hammering on from this E right here on the A string. So it'll be to the F. This has a lot of ghost notes, but I'm gonna make sure you get the notes first, and then I'll show you the ghost notes. So, and all this is D flat, D flat, E flat, A flat. The last one, watch this. It's just D flat, E flat. All in the minor pentatonic scale. So and that's pretty much it. So let me show you the ghost notes for it. So like, so it's gonna be, so here that's just like, I do like a double and test. So when I mean ghost notes, like that means these notes that don't have like a particular note or tone. It's just kind of like a muted string, and that's what I mean. So it's gonna be like that. actually do that slower. And then it's going to be. So that's going to be. Together. Just practice that and just really work on that with the metronome and then just lock it in, because once you get it, you're not going to forget it. I promise you. So here we go. And when you come in on this is on the upbeat, so like. So that's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna play you out just so you can see all of them in context. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all later.